Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to show you why these Black Magic hangers are going to add so much extra space to your closet. So bear with me as you view my horribly crowded closet. So you can see I need some help with organization. And that's why I really like these hangers. So you are able to place skirts, blouses, pants, whatever it is, and then vertically you can drop them down and look at how much less space all of that takes up. So I can slide that out of the way, and then I have room for my other longer pieces that maybe I can't organize with the Black Magic hangers. So if you have a lot of clothes that you want to organize, or you have a small closet and you want to make the most of the space, then these Black Magic hanger organizers are going to be great for you. They have a ton of space and then that vertical drop, so you're able to get so much more out of the space that you have and keep things organized so that you can see what you have and you're not rifling around through your closet. So I'm really very happy with these for their organizational ability and how much they hold, and that is my point of view.